Hi friends, welcome in All-in-One Corner channel. So friends, in today's video we will going to discuss about the Wipro vacancy. Yes friend, we will discuss about the vacancy in the Wipro company. So friends, if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So this vacancy is only for engineering graduates from 2020, 2021 and 2020-22. So friends, if you are a 2020 pass out student, 2021 pass out students and will pass in a 2022, so you are eligible. So friends, we will see the discussion of the Wipro, what is eligibility, what is criteria for this application. So friends, without wasting time, we will start. So this is the exciting compensation and prospects awaits you. So as you can see that this is a Wipro's elite national talent hub. So most of students given the exam in October phase, that is phase 1, Wipro phase 1, but students in December there is a phase 2. So if you are eligible for this, you must register here. So we will see first of all eligibility criteria. So eligibility is given here. So what is the eligible qualification? So here is given B or a BTech student must be compulsory degree. So engineering graduates are eligible. Second one is ME or a MTech 5-year integrated course. So qualification ME or MTech means undergraduate and postgraduate also eligible 5-year integrated courses. Then full-time courses recognized by. So see, if you are a B or a BTech student, your degree must be full-time. Full-time course recognized by the central or a state government of India. No part-time or correspondence or a distance learning education in degree 10th or 12th. C means if you are passed out students of a graduation, so full-time course is recognized from the central or state government of India. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education is allowed. So all branches except fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology. So friends, those candidates who are engineering graduates from the fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology are not eligible. And year of passing, so which candidates are eligible for this? So those candidates which have a year of passing, that is 2020, 2021 and 2022. This is the eligibility criteria for year of passing. Then next, one backlog is allowed till the offer stage, 60% or 6.0 CGPA or equivalent as per your university guidelines. So friends, at the offer stage, one backlog is allowed. That means if you passed all online assessment, then your interview round, then finally you got selected, then you got offer later. So at the offer stage, there is one backlog is allowed, and 60% or 6.0 CGP or equivalent as per your university guidelines. That means minimum 60% or 6.6 CGPA is required. 10th standard and 12th standard, there is a minimum criteria of 60%. That means you should have 60% or above in the 10th standard and 12th standard. That means in short, those students which are engineering graduates from mechanical, computer, etc., but except fashion designing, food or textile engineering, agriculture engineering are exceptions, but engineering graduates from 2020, 2021 and 2020-22 are eligible. And those students who had 60% criteria is satisfied, that means 10th in a 10th standard and in a 12th standard they have 60% or above, they are also eligible. So next is the age limit. What is the age limit? So for this phase second, there is age limit, that is 25 years. So if you are 25, then you are eligible, but above 25 there is not eligible. What is the last date to apply for this phase second? So the last date of this is 31st of January 2022. So friends, till there is 1.5 month is remaining for the application, but as soon as possible please apply for this Wipro phase second. Online assessment date is not announced, to be communicated through your mail. So last date is here, and online assessment is date is not announced. They will connect through you the registered email ID. So we discuss about the eligibility criteria. Then we will see evaluation process. What is the evaluation process? So there are 4 steps. First one is registration. So if you want to register here, please check in the description box. I have given the link. Registration. Then there is assessment. So assessment will be in a virtual mode. Then business discussion. So if you passed, if you clear in assessment, then there will be business discussion, and if you clear the business discussion, there will be offer letter. So this is the evaluation process. So after this, there is a compensation flow. That means which opportunities will be you get in a Wipro company. So first of all, your journey will begin, then joining bonus you will get, then yearly increments also there are, and there is also merge bonus. So your joining compensation is of 3,50,000 rupees. That means you will get the 3.5 LPA package. Then flat bonus post 6 months from joining, that is your 25,000, to be merged with a compensation after 12 months of bonus payout. That means after joining 6 months after joining, you will get 25,000. Regularly yearly increments, there is a yearly increments also, and merge bonuses on 18th, 24th and 36th month from date of joining. So friends, if you get selected in the Wipro company, then you will get these bonuses. So compensation per annum is 3.5 lakh per annum. And what is your designation? So your designation is of a project engineer. Role of this vacancy is of a project engineer, and there is a service agreement of a 12 months at the rate 75,000 on a pro rata basis. So friends, there is a service agreement, and if you break this service agreement, you have to pay 75,000 rupees. Then there is the additional criteria. So we will see. First one is one backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage. Previously we see that at the offer stage one backlog is allowed. So assessment stage there is also one backlog is allowed. Maximum 3 years of gap in education allowed 10th to graduation. So between after 10th to graduation stage, there is a maximum 3 years of gap is allowed. Then third one is the candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible. So this is the second phase of Wipro Elite, and the first one is held in a September, I think. So candidates who have participated in any selection process, those are not eligible for this vacancy. So fourth one is you should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any other country. So friends, you should be an Indian citizen. That means you have citizenship, you are Indian. Next one is a Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. So those candidates from Bhutan and Nepal nationals, they have to submit their citizenship certificate. Next one is the candidates are eligible for re-registration only after 90 days or 3 months from the prior online assessment given. However, we are inviting candidates for the online assessment at Wipro's discussion. So friends, note that this is an important note for this discussion. You are aware that those candidates who have participated in selection process, they are not eligible up to 6 months. So friends, but in additional criteria, there is update, that is candidates are eligible for re-registration. That means if you are doubt, that means I have appeared for a phase 1, can I re-register here? So yes friends, you can re-registration only after 90 days or 3 months from the prior online assessment given. So friends, this you can see that is of 31st of January 2022. So friends, as I remember, phase 1 is held in October month. So here is given that is 3 months or after 90 days. That means your October, then your November, then your December. So you are eligible for re-registration if you gave your exam, that is your first phase. So however, they are inviting candidates for the online assessment at Wipro's discretion. That means those students appear for the online assessment in October month, they are also eligible for this. So eligible candidates will be invited in batches for the assessment. So after application, those candidates are eligible, they will be invited in the batch for the assessment. So candidates, if you have any queries, concerns, please contact manager.campus@wipro.com with the subject that is Elite NTH 2.0. So friends, if you have any doubt, you can contact them. There is a given below, that is manager.campus@wipro.com. So friends, this is the whole information regarding Wipro phase second, and note that there is a important note about the re-registration, those candidates who have appeared in October month. So friends, if you found this video helpful, informative, please like, share, comment and share among friends which are needy people. So friends, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, which will be very grateful to me. Thank you.